Most of the assumptions come from the media. They see us visually challenged people in Bollywood, in TV serials, and in that we are portrayed very stereotypically. So I really want to request media that please portray us correctly, and the platforms like these are really helpful because they show the reality of our community.
So they should not assume things about me, because it's create rumors. Many people also assume that I'm blind, so everything is difficult for me.
Request the people to stop making assumptions. Just ask all of us.
Sometimes it feels sad, when people assume things on their own and they don't ask you questions, or they don't clear the doubts. So I always tell my friends that please talk to me. If you have doubts, please clear it. To be honest, I don't feel awkward when people ask me questions. In fact, I feel very happy that someone is asking me something, and I would like to tell them more information.
Being a visually challenged person, I have to face so many difficulties. For example, in public places, I have to take help. To cross a road, I have to communicate with the people, but I am not comfortable to talk with strangers.
Earlier, when I used to go to new places, there are a few doubts I had in my mind, like how will people react? Will they talk with me? Or will they accept me as the way I am? Now, and now, whenever I go to new places, I feel very comfortable to talk with people. I can make new friends, and I feel I have more confidence.
I have to face a language problem because I learned Marathi language only in my school. That's why I can't speak much English. But now I'm improving my English skills also.
Life. For example, identifying notes which like 10 रुपए का 20 रुपए.
Difficulties which I face in routine life are not many though, but then it's not indoor, right? Always it's about the outdoor thing. So uh, difficulties would be like roads are not proper. Like like if you see in foreign, you will find manhole anywhere. So navigating it with your stick is quite difficult.
If we go to railway station, there's a tactile on a platform, so it is not available in every station.
Thing is, people are quite more protective, like, which should not be the case. Like, for example, if you see a person who is disabled, they would be like, oh, like, like overprotective, like, not a person becomes just overly protective, like too much insecure. So I feel that should not be the case. Everyone should be treated equally. Like, suppose someone would say, oh, you don't play football, you're blind, you will fall. But how is that even relevant?
So, for me personally, I have never faced any discrimination in my friend circle or my family members. I'm blessed to have supportive parents.
Parent support is very important in our life also, and I'm glad that my parents are very supportive in everything. Okay, so
Right.
as well as they are really careful about me, but sometimes they took away much care about me. even if I am blind, I should be allowed to live normal life.
When I got blindness, they were so tense that they were very negative about my blindness. But afterwards, things changed, and now it's good. They are ready to do anything for me, but I think they are not much aware about. Talking about friends, making friends sighted friends is, I think, very difficult task, because while interacting with them, I find some difficulties. Initially, they are not ready to accept us, or they are not much aware about us. So
Friends were playing in the ground of the school. My visually challenged friend was not being taken into consideration while they were playing. उसको उनके साथ खेलने में अलाउड नहीं किया गया, उसको स्कूल के पिकनिक जाने में भी अलाउड नहीं किया गया. बट आई थिंक ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. वी शुड इंक्लूड ऑल, क्योंकि वो बच्चों के लिए भी बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस होता है. इट्स नॉट दैट किड्स आर अफ्रेड. बच्चों को तो एक्सप्लोर करना होता है कि यार कौन नया है हमारी क्लास में. बट उनके जो पेरेंट्स होते हैं ना, वो उनको रिस्ट्रिक्ट करते हैं कि इससे बात मत करना, ये ऐसी है, उसको दिखता नहीं है, प्लीज डोंट टॉक टू हर, और थिंग्स लाइक दैट. तो पेरेंट्स डरते हैं, इसलिए बच्चे भी डर जाते हैं, एंड उस डर की वजह से कॉन्वर्सेशंस नहीं हो पाते हैं. तो आई जस्ट वांट टू से कि प्लीज डोंट बी अफ्रेड, कॉन्वर्सेशंस करो एंड सबको इंक्लूड करो. एंड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन जो मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने फेस किया है, आई वॉन्ट टू से दैट गाइज डोंट वरी, तुम लोग भी अच्छे से अच्छे अपॉर्चुनिटीज पाओगे लाइफ में आगे. एंड बी कॉन्फिडेंट ऑन योर सेल्फ, बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ, एंड जस्ट keep learning new things, keep adapting to the new technology, and I'm sure you will get amazing opportunities in future.
I think in today's situation, social media is a great platform to express ourselves. So sometimes I chat with my friends, sometimes I talk with them on video call, and yeah, sometimes I express myself through Insta stories or through the various posts, and it feels amazing. I feel very happy.
Like, you know, just behave normally. Don't need to be extra, you know, friendly, or don't need to be, just be you, who you are. Like, be the original. Like, suppose, how would you treat your friend who's not visually challenged, or who's not disabled or differently able, whatever? The same way if you treat me, I would be the happiest guy.
I think our society should accept people as the way they are. Like, I am not talking only about disabled people. In general, I am talking like the transgender community or other communities. People should treat them normally. I think people can learn many different things from them. Simultaneously, they can learn interesting things from you.
We will make lots of improvement, you know, and I want to see my government to include the members for whom they are making the policy. So तभी inclusion truly possible होगा.
Work sector, whether it's government or private, we want equal opportunities. They have to see our talent and our capabilities. They can't reject us because of our disability.
I feel everyone is disabled, you know, in some or the other way. Yeah. So I think, you know, you must be having something which you are not good at. Like, you must be lacking in something. So even that is disability, I feel so. Some are emotional, some are physical. It's just that my disability can be seen and yours can't. It's just a camouflage. So I feel that way.
And finally, I want to give message to our viewer is that give us equal treatment, give us respect, encourage our talent, and give us fair opportunities. If one visually challenged person comes and asking for help, so please do it. Trust me, it is a very nice feeling. Thank you.
अपना फ्रेंड सर्कल अच्छे से डाइवर्स बनाओ, आप बहुत कुछ सीखोगे एंड हम भी आपसे बहुत कुछ सीखेंगे. तो लेट्स implement and include diversity and be inclusive. That's my message to all of you. Thank you.